Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add a dress on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add a dress on Lazada. Maybe because you want to purchase some products and the products have to be delivered on an address. So you want to add an address so that you could get your products on your home, or there could be any other reason for you to add address on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app in your mobile phone. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have multiple options almost all over the screen and have different products that you could purchase on this. But before purchasing products, you have to add your address so that these products could get delivered to your place. So for that, what you have to do is that right now we're into the For You section. So once you look down, we have five options at the bottom of the page. So from five options, you just have to simply click onto the right option, which is account. Once you tap on account, you will get into your account settings where you will see different options. So from all these options, you have to simply click on this settings icon. Once you click on it, you will get into settings. There you will see the title of settings and find different options. All these options are different and have their own purpose that they perform in this app. So from all these options, we have this second option which says address book. This option will allow you to add your address. Once you get here, you will see this option which says add address. Once you tap on it, then you have to add your address. First, you have to mention the name of the person who will receive the address. You could add your name or any other name. After that, you have to enter your contact number and then you have to choose your city, your district. After that, you have to choose the suit, and after that, you have to choose the floor or unit, and then you can choose if this is your home address or if your office address. So you have to fill out all these things, and after that just simply click on save, and that address will get saved on your account, and whenever you order you could use that address to get the products delivered at your place. So once you have entered and clicked on save, this is how it will show you. Now if you want to save another address, you could do it by just simply clicking on add address. Like you can add your office address, and if you have multiple places, so you can add all these addresses. So whenever you purchase, you can choose at which place you want the products to get delivered. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add address on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.